Welcome to our discussion on the commercial downlighting product guide. There's a reason we wanted to pull this video up today, and that's because a lot of the questions we get around downlighting are where to start and what to go to make a selection based on the Cooper Lighting Solutions portfolio. And so we want to kind of give an overview of a guide that we think is a really good starting tool to use to make a selection with your downlighting. So the first thing we wanted to do is talk about where we see the downlight in our applications. And so we have some nice application images for offices as well as healthcare. But we really think about in terms of downlighting, we do see it everywhere, right? So also throughout hospitality spaces, whether it be hotel rooms, restaurants, etc., but also in education. And so when it comes to talking about downlighting, we're not really just talking about one or two applications. We do see it as a valuable resource across the board for applications in the lighting world. Then we want to talk about our own products. So for portfolio downlighting, this is really a brand that's focused on high-end efficacy, superior optical control, and color into a overall quality product that we kind of target around our specification community. Really focus in with a option to pull in any of the connected lighting and connected controls that we do in our portfolio offering. The next piece that we have is our Halo commercial product. So the Halo commercial product is really built around the design build spaces, tenant improvement, where we're working on kind of lowering the watts per square foot. So it's a really nice mix of that commercial space with that value engineered type of opportunity. So we do that in the Halo commercial side. And then we also have our Halo product. Halo is a brand that's existed for over 60 years, winning the #1 brand leader in lighting from Builder Magazine over the last 20 or so years as well, and really is a nice product line that fits into the residential and light commercial spaces. So a high-end quality product, but really meets the needs of a contractor for everyday use in those resi and light commercial spaces. The next piece of the guide is actually, making those selections and what we can see for options and viewing of the individual product categories. So we break everything down by the aperture size. You're going to see on the left-hand side a category for 1-inch product, 2-inch, and 3-inch product. And that's referring to the actual aperture size, so the cutout for the ceiling for these downlight products. But then across the top, you're going to see a bunch of different categories. So we'll tell you off the top what is the family name and what is the description of that product, as well as the max lumens delivered by these products as well. We'll show you whether it's a round or square, downlight, a wall wash, or an adjustable accent, as well as what type of installation we're talking about, new construction, remodel, retrofit, whether it's a direct, a surface mount, does it have a flangeless trim option. As we work through the guide, you're going to see in the 4-inch, we have a much larger selection of categories. What we're going to see, is it a field selectable lumens? Is it field selectable CCT? Do we have a tunable white option? Do we have a dim to warm option? And then again, voltages, and then also dimming. So if you're looking for a product that's line voltage or phase cut dimming, or you need that 0 to 10, we do that as well. And as you can flip through, you can see that we do have it in all the way from 8-inch, 12-inch and 14-inch product that is now on the marketplace as well. You would have seen as we were flipping through there that there are the color categories as well that will denote whether or not these products are Halo commercial, or portfolio. But we also do the whole guide in a visual category as well. So at the back of the guide, you're going to see all of these product families and categories, again listed by aperture, but this time we're going to do it with an image of the individual products, so you can kind of see what you might be getting when you do select those different styles and those options. So that's a nice quick overview of the commercial downlighting product guide. And I think it's a really good starting point to look for product that is in the Cooper Lighting Solutions line. Again, if you're looking for any additional help and you want to see a sample of any of these products, don't hesitate to reach out to your Cooper Lighting Solutions sales rep, and we will get a sample over to you. And again, thanks for watching.